Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arca Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove electric lock on Alfa 159. I'll fast forward a bit to get to the lock and I'll put the links to full videos in the description below. When you get to the lock, it's very easy to remove. The first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this black cable. I'm gonna pull on it to get it out of its plastic housing. Just like that. Now I'm gonna turn this black piece some 90 degrees to the left and I'm gonna pull it out. Now here's the notch which goes into that metal piece. To remove the lock, I gotta undo these 3 T45 Torx screws. Now when you loosen this third screw, you wanna hold the electric lock with your other hand so it doesn't fall and get damaged. And here it is. That would basically be it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing.